Hey tech enthusiast, today, we're diving into AI-powered color and human detection using Pictoblox, a user-friendly platform for block-based coding. We'll teach the AI to recognize colors and detect human shapes, combining color sensing with AI detection blocks to create a project that responds based on colors and human poses. Imagine the possibilities: interactive games, art installations, or smart exhibits. After setting up the project, we'll test it by detecting red and blue shirts, showcasing its potential. Don't forget to try Pictoblox for your projects, share your ideas in the comments, and hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for more tech adventures. See you next time.
The subscribe button.